Hello. Hey, this is Amity. I'm calling from Just Answer on the Lexus. Tell me what's going on.
So you're familiar with Lexus electrical or whatever security system stuff?
Yes, ma'am. You got it.
Thank God it said ST is not unlocked. In the past, it took me about 15 minutes of Googling. I turned the wheel back and forth. There were some other steps that I can't remember that I can't seem to find on Google, pushing the brake or locking the door or something, and it unlocked. For 3 days, I've been trying to two fobs, put that new battery in one, check the actual battery. It was good on the car. The steering wheel's turned, the wheels are turned, and that's what had happened last time. I parked it and turned it off with the steering wheel turned and not straight.
So this has got a regular key, correct?
No, push button.
It's a push button. So
I could never find where to put that in. Go ahead.
So the engine doesn't start, correct? And then when you try to start it and you hop in the vehicle, if I were to try to start it, hop in the vehicle, put my foot on the brake pedal, and then hit the button, what happens?
Dashboard lights up. There's no sound of an engine trying to start.
It doesn't click or anything like that?
Click. No.
All right. Have you checked the fuses?
Yes. My roommate's brother checked all the fuses.
Have we checked for
codes in the computer?
Yep.
How do I do that?
That would be with a compatible scan tool. You would plug into the data link connector located under the dash.
I know they connected one, but I don't know if it was a compatible scanner.
Do you know what it said when they connected it?
No, she probably don't remember what it said when it was connected. No. Before, like I said, I didn't have to go this far. I was able to follow instructions. And one little detail I think I can't remember, something about locking the door, and it started.
So when you at least turn on the ignition, right? And then all the the gauges work, all that stuff comes on like it should.
The only thing that keeps coming in my mind is, this was probably stupid, it may have caused some problems, is I got tired of when I had the car off and I wanted to have the door open and the dinging. So I took tape and I covered up that black sponge push thing on the door with tape. And then now that the tape is going off, I took it off, but it doesn't ding like it used to when it would ding if I didn't have tape on it.
All right. Well, I would be willing to bet there's probably something going on with one of these computers on board the vehicle, the body module or a different module on board the vehicle. You got an engine control module, and I thought some of these had a steering column lock module, but this is a push button, so maybe not. So you said the steering wheel is locked, is that right?
Yeah, it barely, when the instructions say to turn the steering wheel gently back and forth, you've got about a little bit of give, 1 or 2 inches to go each way. And when I did that,
that's correct.
Total touching, rub together 5 minutes.
And then reconnect them back up to the battery and see if that does the trick.
Immediately reconnect them. Do I do black first or white?
It doesn't matter. You can do probably red positive first. That'll be fine.
And then I don't wait. It said wait 15 minutes before you try to start it.
That doesn't matter either, based on my experience. Once you touch the cables together and rub them together, all the static electricity will go away, and you can just go ahead and start it up again.
Okay, and then if this don't work, I guess I'll call you back.
That's fine. Yep, but
I hope so.
Yes, absolutely. You're more than welcome to respond back to our chat online, and I'm more than happy to continue to assist you. Right? Absolutely.
I'm a single woman, and I'm not even able to go to work, and I'm getting really.
I gotcha. So I hear you.
My car, I tried to check out an oil change about a month ago. It's a one owner. I just paid $5,000 cash for it, and they said engine, transmission, everything's good. But like I said, this happened before, and I was able to jiggle the steering wheel and get it unlocked. But is there not a place where I can actually take the key out of the fob and put it in a hole to start it?
I don't believe so. I believe that's only to get in the vehicle.
That's what I thought, because I've been doing a lot of reading, and I'm going to get dressed, and then when I don't call you back on this number, or hopefully I don't need to,
right?
Or how do I get back with you?
So you're just going to reply back to our chat online.
Is that a certain website I was on?
Yes, it's called
justanswer.com. So how long am I able to, you said something about a module, a locked up module. Is that what you think it is?
Yeah, that's a possibility, yeah.
Is that something that might require, okay, let me just do this. All right, I'll do this. You disconnect the cables, rub them together for 5 minutes, reconnect them, and then automatically try to start it, right?
That's correct.
Thank you.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.